Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox on your phone. Follow the steps. First, open the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. And on the search bar on the top, search Roblox and enter. And here we could see, tap on the Roblox app from the search results and tap the install button to download and install the Roblox app on your phone. And once the installation is complete, tap the button that says play and you can sign in or create a new account to start playing games on Roblox. And if you encounter any issues during the download and installation process, you can go to the Roblox account help. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.